best thing about having the Axon M telephone is utilizing it in broad daylight. On the transport, around my companions, sitting at a bar, the minute I overlay out its second screen, individuals around me begin homing in on the gadget and I am asked the inescapable inquiry, "What is that?" In any case, other than the interest it evokes from others, there aren't that many explanations behind me to bounce around in energy. The Axon M, which has two screens stacked over each other and folds open to frame a 6.75-inch smaller than expected tablet, isn't even another idea. It chimps the Kyocera Echo and Sony Tablet P, both of which additionally had two screens connected together with a pivot and were unremarkable. Gratefully, innovation has advanced in the 5 to a long time since, and the Axon M is speedier, smoother and has more capacities. Its two screens prove to be useful with some time in the not-so-distant future today errands and can be shockingly helpful in particular occasions, similar to multitaskers who need to utilize applications one next to the other or gamers tingling for that Nintendo 3DS look and feel. Axon M 7491-001. 33. We're everywhere on this flip telephone for 2017. In any case, it's not precisely a hammer dunk of a telephone that'll change the business overnight. Dissimilar to the smooth, adaptable foldable model telephones we've found before, a marker of where the business might head, the Axon M's awkward outline is a long way from the future we've been envisioning. Its terrible crease hinders film viewing and gameplay, it's cumbersome and thick and its uneven weight circulation makes it awkward to hold.